You built an AI agent that was supposed to save you hours of work. You fed it instructions, connected it to your tools, and hit run. And then, it sent an email to the wrong person. It formatted your spreadsheet like abstract art. Or it just sat there, spinning, doing absolutely nothing. Sound familiar? Here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not the AI's fault. It's not broken. You're just speaking to it like it's a human. And it's not. The good news? Fixing it is simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how in 3 steps. Most people assume that because AI can hold a conversation, it understands context the way we do. It doesn't. In theory, an AI agent should be able to figure out what you want from a simple instruction. In practice, it has no idea what you mean unless you tell it, explicitly, step by tiny step. Think of it like hiring a brilliant intern who has never done the job before. They're smart, they're fast, but they have zero common sense about your specific workflow. You wouldn't just say, handle the emails and walk away. You'd show them exactly what handle means. Which folder, which response templates, who gets what. The AI is no different. It's incredibly powerful, but it needs a crystal clear job description. This sounds simple. It isn't, because most of us don't realize how vague we're being. We say things like, summarize this document, and expect magic. But the AI doesn't know if you want bullet points, a paragraph, a tweet, or a formal report. It doesn't know if you want key facts, opinions, or just the conclusion. It's not reading your mind. It's reading your words. And if your words are fuzzy, its output will be fuzzy. The first fix is specificity. Tell the AI exactly what format you want. Tell it who the audience is. Tell it what to include and what to ignore. Give it examples if you can. The more detail you provide, the better it performs. Here's where it gets interesting. Even with a great prompt, your AI agent might still fail. Why? Because it can't see the big picture. It doesn't know what came before. It doesn't know what's supposed to come next. It's operating in a vacuum. Every time you send a message, it's like the AI wakes up from amnesia. It only sees what's in the current conversation. It has no memory of the 10 emails you processed earlier or the data you already collected. Most people assume the AI remembers everything they've ever told it. It doesn't. The second fix is context management. Make sure the AI has access to everything it needs before it starts working. The third fix is building checkpoints. You don't need to babysit the AI, but you do need to design your automation with stops and reviews built in. The 3 fixes are simple. Be specific, manage context, build checkpoints. That's it. That's the difference between an AI that fails and an AI that works. If you're ready to stop wrestling with your AI and start building systems that save you hours every week, hit subscribe. We break down the confusing stuff so you don't have to figure it out alone.